Hey, it's midsummer. We're out on the patio and we got all the bugs. So I picked up this disposable Raid bug trap. I'm going to set it up. We're going to use it and I'll show you if it actually works. So this comes in a little bag here and it's almost so easy, it's confusing to set up. So all you're going to do on the top here, there's a cut line. We're just going to cut that out. And then your little top piece here will pull up. And what happens is the bugs are going to fly into this. They're going to get trapped and then they're going to pass away with the bait in the bottom. You can see the bait. There's a bait right here. Now we're just going to fill this up with water. There's a water fill line. So we'll go ahead and fill it up with water. Okay, we got it filled up to the fill line. Now, if it's really hot outside, you might want to go a little higher because that water is going to evaporate out. Now, there's a little hole in the top. You're just going to take some string and we'll go ahead and hang this up. So you're going to want to put this a little farther away from where you're going to sit outside. There is a little bit of an odor. There was also some of the bait on the top of this. So I'm going to make sure I wash my hands when I'm done. But we're going to just kind of hang it up over here. Make sure you hang this where pets and children can't get to it. And this bait, the scent, is going to attract the bugs. They're going to get trapped. And then we'll take another video and I'll show you how many bugs it got. All right, so we took this bag down and I'm actually disgusted by the amount of flies in this thing. This thing is packed full of flies. You can see through the window there. There is a smell. It is attracting more, so you definitely want to put this away from your direct living area. But I think this was a great option to kind of hang it nearby and kind of clear the flies out that are nearby. This isn't going to give you immediate relief. You might want to use spray or the citronella candles. This is more like a long term. You set this up for a few days and it clears your area. Overall, I think it worked pretty well, but be prepared. This thing does stink and there's a crap ton of flies.